Hi everybody. So today let's talk about weight gain during pregnancy. Many of the patients have this doubt. How much should I gain during pregnancy? It depends from patient to patient and mostly we decide according to the pre-pregnancy BMI. So if your pre-pregnancy BMI is less than 18.5, you can gain up to 13 to 18 kgs throughout your pregnancy. If your pre-pregnancy BMI is somewhere between 18.5 to 24.9, you can gain between 11 to 16 kgs. If your pre-pregnancy BMI is 25 to 29.9, that is pre-obese, then you can gain around 7 to 10 kgs. If you are obese, that is your BMI is more than 30, you can gain up to 5 to 7 kgs throughout in pregnancy. So generally an average Indian baby weighs around 2.5 to 3.5 kgs. So people will be like, I have gained 10 kgs, I have gained 15 kgs. Where does all the weight? So the growing uterus will be around 1 to 1.5 kgs. Placenta will be around 1 kg. You will have amniotic fluid around 1.5 liters. Your blood volume increases by 1.5 to 2 liters apart from the usual cardiac output. There will be water retention. So everything will account to the weight. It's not only your baby weight. Baby is 3.5, I have gained 10. It doesn't work like that. And generally the amount of calories which you have to take, ideally in the first trimester around 1800 to 2000, in the second trimester around 2200, and in the third trimester 2500, around 2500 calories. You need not eat for 2 people. Why is weight gain important? Increased weight gain during pregnancy will have larger babies. You may go for a difficult labor. You may go for shoulder dystocia during labor, and there is increased chance of operative deliveries. That is, you may need a vacuum or forceps assisting your labor, or sometimes you can go for a C-section also. And when there is increased weight gain during pregnancy, you are gaining weight according to your proposed BMI, you can have a risk of getting diabetes in pregnancy and preeclampsia, which is nothing but hypertension in pregnancy. One more thing is, if you are having a twin pregnancy, we have a different weight gain. Around moderately, you can gain around 16 to 23 to 24 kgs. It doesn't mean that if in a single pregnancy you gain 15 kgs, twins you have to gain 30-35 kgs. It doesn't work like that. So how to have a healthy weight gain in pregnancy? Have a caution. Please have a control over your cravings. And sometimes during the first 3 months, you may not gain any weight, or you may gain hardly 1 to 2 kgs, or sometimes patients who are having vomiting will even lose up to 2 to 3 kgs, which is perfectly normal. So just have a note on your calorie count, and you should have more protein during your pregnancy. There are patients who have gained only around 5 to 6 kgs throughout their pregnancy but has had a proper healthy normal weight baby and a normal delivery. So it depends upon the quality of the food you eat rather than the quantity of your food. And please go for walking or any exercise at least 30 minutes per day. A total of 150 minutes of walking or exercise per week is recommended for a healthy weight gain during pregnancy. Thank you.